Welcome back to the bike update. The 2026 Volvo XC60 arrives with a fresh design philosophy that blends Scandinavian luxury, advanced technology, and electrified performance into one sophisticated package. As one of Volvo's best-selling SUVs worldwide, the XC60 has always been known for its elegant styling and family-friendly practicality. For 2026, Volvo takes things a step further with a more refined exterior, a smarter interior, and a stronger focus on sustainability. The result is a premium SUV that feels modern, luxurious, and ready for the future. At first glance, the 2026 XC60 retains the familiar proportions that have made the model so popular, but subtle design enhancements give it a sharper and more premium appearance. The front fascia features a redesigned grille with a more intricate pattern, while slimmer LED headlights create a cleaner and more futuristic look. Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer daytime running lights remain a defining feature, instantly making the SUV recognizable on the road. The lower front bumper has been redesigned to improve aerodynamics and provide a sportier stance. Larger air intakes and more sculpted surfaces contribute to a more aggressive yet sophisticated appearance. The hood features stronger character lines that flow naturally into the windshield, creating a sleek profile that enhances both style and efficiency. Moving along the side, the 2026 XC60 showcases smooth body contours and refined proportions. New alloy wheel designs ranging from 19 to 22 inches provide buyers with more customization options. The floating roof effect, one of Volvo's signature styling elements, continues to give the SUV a premium and upscale presence. Flush-mounted door handles on higher trims improve aerodynamics while adding a futuristic touch. At the rear, the XC60 receives updated LED taillights with a more sophisticated light signature. The tailgate design has been refined for a cleaner appearance, while the rear bumper integrates subtle chrome and gloss black elements. Depending on trim level, buyers can choose between elegant luxury styling or a more aggressive sporty appearance package. The overall dimensions remain practical for families while maintaining the maneuverability needed for urban driving. The XC60 strikes a balance between compact luxury SUVs and larger three-row models, making it an ideal choice for buyers seeking versatility without excessive size. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Volvo XC60 demonstrates why Volvo is regarded as one of the leaders in modern luxury design. The interior embraces Scandinavian minimalism with premium materials, clean surfaces, and exceptional craftsmanship. Every element feels thoughtfully designed, creating a relaxing environment for both drivers and passengers. The dashboard features a larger floating touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Google integration. The updated interface is faster, more intuitive, and packed with advanced connectivity features. Drivers can access navigation, media, vehicle settings, and smartphone integration through a highly responsive display. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable information layouts, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation, efficiency data, safety alerts, or performance information. Higher trims may include a head-up display that projects important driving information directly onto the windshield. Premium materials are found throughout the cabin. Soft touch surfaces, open-pore wood trim, recycled luxury materials, and optional Napa leather upholstery create a refined atmosphere. Volvo's commitment to sustainability continues with eco-friendly interior options that maintain luxury without compromising environmental responsibility. The front seats remain among the most comfortable in the segment. Designed with orthopedic expertise, they provide excellent support during both short commutes and long-distance travel. Heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple power adjustments are available on higher trim levels. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and headroom. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy feel. Rear seat climate controls, USB-C charging ports, and premium seating materials ensure comfort for all occupants. Cargo capacity remains one of the XC60's strengths. The rear cargo area provides ample room for luggage, groceries, sports equipment, and family gear. Folding rear seats create a flat load floor, significantly expanding cargo flexibility when larger items need to be transported. Technology is another area where the 2026 XC60 excels. Volvo continues to integrate cutting-edge features designed to improve convenience and safety. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while over-the-air software updates ensure the vehicle remains current with the latest improvements. A premium sound system developed in partnership with Bowers & Wilkins is expected to remain available. Known for delivering concert-like audio quality, the system transforms the cabin into a luxury listening environment. Voice control capabilities are significantly enhanced thanks to Google Assistant integration. Drivers can adjust climate settings, navigate to destinations, play music, send messages, and access vehicle functions using natural voice commands. Safety has always been a core Volvo value, and the 2026 XC60 continues this tradition. The SUV is expected to feature Volvo's latest suite of driver assistance technologies. These systems help reduce driver workload while improving overall safety. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. Advanced camera and radar systems continuously monitor the surrounding environment to help prevent accidents. Volvo's Pilot Assist semi-autonomous driving technology is expected to receive updates for smoother operation and improved lane centering performance. While drivers must remain attentive, the system provides valuable assistance during highway journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 XC60 is expected to continue Volvo's strategy of electrification. Buyers will likely have access to mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. These systems combine strong performance with improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The mild hybrid variants are expected to use turbocharged 4-cylinder engines paired with electric assistance. This setup improves acceleration, enhances fuel economy, and provides smoother operation during everyday driving. The plug-in hybrid version is expected to remain the performance leader in the lineup. Combining a turbocharged gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor, the XC60 Recharge could produce well over 450 horsepower, while offering a substantial all-electric driving range. This allows many daily commutes to be completed without using gasoline. Acceleration remains impressive for a luxury SUV. Higher performance variants are expected to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in approximately 4.5 seconds, putting them among the quickest vehicles in the segment. Ride quality continues to be a major strength. The suspension is carefully tuned to balance comfort and handling. Optional adaptive air suspension further enhances refinement by adjusting ride characteristics based on driving conditions. All-wheel drive remains available across much of the lineup, providing improved traction in rain, snow, and challenging road conditions. Whether driving through city streets or embarking on long-distance road trips, the XC60 delivers confidence and composure. Fuel economy is expected to improve thanks to aerodynamic refinements and more efficient hybrid systems. Plug-in hybrid models will offer excellent efficiency for drivers who regularly charge their vehicles, while mild hybrid versions provide strong economy without requiring charging infrastructure. Volvo also continues its commitment to sustainability beyond the powertrain. The company is increasing its use of recycled materials, renewable production methods, and environmentally responsible manufacturing processes. The XC60 reflects this broader vision while maintaining premium quality. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is expected to remain competitive within the luxury SUV segment. Entry-level mild hybrid models are anticipated to start around $49,000 to $52,000. Mid-level trims with additional luxury features may range between $55,000 and $65,000. Fully equipped plug-in hybrid Recharge models could reach $75,000 or more depending on options and packages. Competitors include the BMW X3, Mercedes-Benz GLC, Audi Q5, and Lexus RX. However, the XC60 distinguishes itself through its Scandinavian design philosophy, exceptional safety technologies, sustainable materials, and refined driving experience.
But I still got options, though I'm that name they whisper when the doors close, yeah. I'm a midnight star, boy, burning in a blackout sky. Touch me and you fall, boy. You can try to kill my shine, but I glow every time they call my name. I'm a midnight star, boy, lighting up your house of shame. Oh yeah, go to you. Green sharp as a pocket knife. New girl, tap my Alice on a thigh. Quick hits, promises I never write. Cold heart, but it keep my money nice. I'm a midnight star, boy, burning in in the blackout sky. Touch me and you fall, boy. You can try to kill my shine, but I glow every time they call my name. I'm a midnight star, lighting up your house of shame. Oh yeah. Who gon' catch me when I die from the top floor? Who gon' bless me when I sin just to want more? I've been praying to the mirror like it's some kind of Lord. Only thing I'm scared of is becoming what I asked for, yeah. I'm a midnight star, boy, burning in the blackout sky. Touch me and you fall, boy. You can try to kill my shine, but I glow every time they call my name. I'm a midnight star, boy, lighting up your house of shame.